This video demonstrates how to install a Lecree complete strut assembly. Position the vehicle on the lift. Lift vehicle to a comfortable height to work on the struts. If you are using hand tools, break the lug nuts free before you lift the vehicle. Finish removing the lug nuts after raising the vehicle. If you have air tools, remove the lug nuts once the vehicle is in the air. Remove the tire and set it aside. Disconnect the brake and ABS sensor lines from the brackets. Break the stabilizer link free with the air wrench. Remove the two bolts holding the bottom bracket to the steering knuckle. Using an open-ended wrench and an Allen wrench, finish removing the stabilizing link. Use a little penetrating oil on the top mount nuts under the hood to help break them loose. Remove two of the nuts all the way. Leave the last one partway on. Grab hold of the strut while you are removing the last nut so the strut doesn't fall and damage something. Compare the old strut with the new Lecree strut to make sure all the brackets match. To install the new Lecree complete strut assembly, start with lining up the top mount bolts through the top of the strut tower and hand tighten the nuts. Although it is not shown in this video, always tighten the top mount nuts to manufacturer's specifications after the vehicle has been lowered and is supporting its own weight. Line up the steering knuckle with the bottom bracket and insert the two bolts. You may have to move the wheel hub a bit to line them up. Use a hammer to tap them in if necessary. Before tightening the bolts, install the stabilizing link and tighten it. Tighten the two knuckle bolts to manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the brake and ABS lines to the brackets. Replace the tire and tighten the lug nuts. Always use a star pattern. Lower the vehicle. Tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Double check that all the bolts and nuts are tight, and you are ready to go.